It's December of 2024. I purchased this SnowRake at Costco in Canada for $33 plus tax. I'm going to assemble it and then see if it'll reach the edge of my roof. On the box it says this is a little over 25 feet, which it probably is, because if I hit this button and extend this out, I'm gonna have to move back here and then extend the other portion. As you can see, that's pretty long. Here are the contents of the box, instructions, the rake itself. You got what they refer to as the angled aluminum tube, bolts and nuts, and a couple of brackets. Step one of our assembly, we're going to take that angled aluminum tube and we're going to attach it to the rake by putting a bolt and nut through here. Notice this is a square nut. This square nut is going to be kept in place by the fact that this opening for it here is indeed square. So I'm going to put this down. Hopefully you can see that. I just put our bolt in there. Jiggle that around a little bit. Now I'm going to move that back a tad to get our nut in there. And that's not lining up, so I'm going to move that a little bit with that screwdriver there. You might have to play with that a little bit. Now we are going to attach the aluminum brackets to the rake. So you can see I have the other one on there. Now the bracket, if you look at it, see how this side there is kind of flat? But this portion here is grooved. That's the part that we want to put up on our plastic tube. The flat part we want down here, which we are going to attach to the rake with the short bolt and nut. So, actually I'm going to move over here so you can see this. So here's our nut, and you might have to do it a little messing around here, but you can see there's an octagonal shape, the same as the nut. Put that there with the plastic part of that nut facing out. And then, hopefully I don't knock my camera, I'll try to do this. Again, the bracket with the flat part is going to be down here on the rake. And try to hold that together while you get the nut in, or the bolt in there. Once you have the two aluminum brackets attached to the rake, we're then going to slide our bolt through like so up here on the arm of it. Take our nut like so, tighten that on there. Again, remembering to just easily tighten this, because this stuff's only plastic, right? Now it's just a matter of attaching our extension handle to the rake. Turning it like so. I would say that's going to be fine for my purposes. Hopefully I'll never have to use it. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.